guys. Okay. So pro pack opening, guys.
Dylan opened the first pack. Okay. So let me open the next. Okay, let's see. Let's see who has better luck.
So subscribe to his channel, Seth. He has a channel. It's called Break Your Ankles 1, 2, 3. Broke. Let's see what we get right here. Ooh, good.
It's a boy. Okay, let's open this one. What team did you need? Hawks?
We need the Hawks. If we can get the Hawks, that'll be a top list. I'm gonna get Warriors, the same one we just got. Before I've got the better pool. I've got the better pool.
Let's cover our eyes. Okay, you can. I'm not.
Holy ho. Oh. 40K, you can only get like 7 pro packs, guys. It's trash. Ooh, pretty good, pretty good. That sells at 12K, I think. Yeah.
No, not him. You just gotta go another one. But still, it is still for a good profit.
Yeah. We got Kendrick Perkins also. So, I don't know.
We're gonna open one by one.
That ain't getting no good pools.
I'm usually open. Let's get a legend. Let's get a legend. This is the 7th pack that we bought.
Ooh, that's the newest coin.
It's not.
No, Ben Simmons is.
But that's still a good one.
Oh, let's go. That gets you like 40K at least. Yeah. Okay, we made our money back. That's all we care about. I can't believe it. Oh my God, I ain't never pulled one of those.
Him up because he was like the second newest. He's the second newest.
I know. Well, guys,
I think it is him.
That was our pack opening. Like I pulled a lot of program players. All 4 of them. No, I pulled one bat 75, Brandon Knight. You pulled that. Oh my gosh, guys. Something in a good pack luck, but still.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
We got Cole Aldridge, Will Barton, and Kendrick Perkins are the best pulls. Well, good, lots of good players. Let's go look him up. Okay, well, bye guys.